Canty Nation. We're out here on New Day on Mill, which is a transitional housing development that's operated by the United Way. This machine here is so large, it's much like bringing a shovel to stir your coffee. This house, as you can see, needed so much work that they actually wanted to tear it down. And due to our previous experience and some of the equipment we own, we're able to help them with that today. So we're looking forward to getting rid of this house, and we're going to help them rebuild a new one in 2020. Can I just tear this one down without knocking that one down as well?